Okay guys, today we will be proving the arithmetic sequence or arithmetic sum of the arithmetic. So we'll start by the normal of that. We know that we have a sequence where we have a sequence that we have here. So we know that this is T1, or we usually call it A, this is T2, and then this is T3, and then dot 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 dot. We know this one usually acts as what? As Tn, where we need to calculate the number of terms. Now, what is the difference of this sequence? It's what? It's 5, because 13 minus 8 is 5, and then 18 minus 13 is 5. So in order for us to get 8, in order for us to get to 13, we are saying 8 plus what? Plus 5 and get 13. In order for us to get 18, we say 13 plus 5 and getting what? 18. Now from here going backward, if we are going in front, going like this, we are adding. But now if we're going backward, we're gonna say this minus the difference, because the difference is going to be always 5, and then get this. So to this side, going from the right side going to a left, we minus. So if we're going to say 103 minus 5, we're going to get what? We're going to get 98. And then 98 minus 5, we're going to get what? We're going to get 93. So we're minusing if you go that side, we add if you go that side. Now something comes in that we must calculate the sum. So we're going to have Sn, which represent the sum, equals to. Now usually T1 we call it what? We call it UA. And then now after UA1, the second term we're saying term first term plus a different, we're getting what? The second term. So it's A plus 1 difference. And then now coming to the third term is going to be 8 plus this difference and also plus this difference to get what? 18. So we're going to get A plus what? 2 difference. And then plus dot 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 until we reach what? This Tn, which you're going to call what? Tn. And then now plus, remember we said here from Tn we minus what? The different. So here we're going to have Tn minusing what? The different. And then plus, now from here we're going to get this one, we're going to minus 2 difference. So it's going to be Tn minusing what? 2d. I hope you still see what I'm doing. Now going forward, now I'm just gonna make one example here. I'm gonna say 5 plus 6 plus 7 5, 6, 7 and 8. This thing is the same as saying 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. It's just starting from here going this side. Now I'm starting from, we started from here going this side. Now I'm starting from here going this side like this. This is just one and the same thing. I hope you understand that. I'm going to use that now. Going to use that now. I'm just going to add from here going that side. It's the same sum, adding the same thing. Just going to start from this side going that side. So from here we're going to have Tn, and then plus this one here, which is Tn minus d, and then plus this one here, which is what? Which is Tn minus 2d, and then plus the terms that are inside here, and then plus what? This one here, which is what? A plus 2d, and then this one here, which is a plus d, and this one here, which is what, plus a. I hope you still see what I'm doing here. And then from here, we're just gonna have to add, we have 2Sn, so we're just gonna add this equation number 1 from equation number 2. So add Sn plus Sn is gonna give us what? It's gonna give us 2Sn. So we're gonna add everything here. We are gonna start by this one. So adding this, it's gonna give us a plus Tn. Now adding the second one, which is this one. Difference plus difference, they're gonna cancel each other. We're gonna have what? a plus Tn. And then also this one, the difference, the two difference, gonna cancel these two difference. We're gonna be left with what? With 2a plus Tn. And then the middle terms that are here, and then also here, this difference gonna cancel this difference. We're gonna have a plus what? Plus Tn. And then plus also this difference gonna cancel this difference. We're gonna left with what? With a plus Tn. And then this is here, what is left, we're going to add also that one, is going to give us a plus Tn. And then from here, as you see, we have a plus Tn, a plus, until this last term that is here. If I can make an example here and say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's that we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we usually say 6 times what? Times 2. If you have probably 100 2's here, you don't have to track yourself in terms of how many 2's that you have in terms of adding them. We know that there is a number of 2's that we have. So this n we're going to represent by how many number of 2's that we have times those 2's. So from here we have this a plus Tn, a plus Tn, a plus Tn. We know that there are a number of Tn, but we don't know how many are they in terms of counting. So we're going to represent them by this n. But those number of Tn's are what? Are a plus Tn, which you're going to have 2Sn. I hope you're following me. And then from here, we divide by 2. Remember, we're looking for Tn, divide by 2. We are looking for Sn, sorry, and then cancels this. And then our Sn here, it's going to be what? It's going to be n over 2 into a plus Tn. Remember, but Tn is equals to what? Is equals to a plus d into n minus 1. So now we substitute that Sn is equals to n over 2 into a plus, but Tn is what? It's a plus d into n minus 1. And then we're going to have n over 2 into a plus a is 2a, and then plus d into n minus 1. Then this is the equation of the sum of the arithmetic. This equation you need to know how to derive it. It's very important question, which is 5 or 4 marks.